Okay, we got our head all ready. We've taken our belt sander and we've sanded this all down here. We got the back attached where it goes. So this is the part which you can take on and off if you need to get inside. You just unscrew this screw on this side and this screw on this side and take the back out if you need to. But we've sanded this all down here and all down in here. So now we're ready to start carving our head. When you put it in a vise, make sure you keep your back piece in so you don't put too much pressure on this to split your wood. So keep the back piece in when you vise it down or clamp it down, however you do that. And we're going to use an assortment of rotary burrs. This is a big one, different shapes, different sizes. You just got to experiment with them to see what works best, whatever you're carving. This one here is a shaping tool where we can shave it down. And I found all of these on Amazon. And they have fine and coarse. And these last a really long time, so they're pretty good. You can find them on Amazon. It's a rotary burr. And these are 1/8 inch, which fits my Dremels. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this here and we want to shape this down, smooth it down, this here on the sides. And then when we start carving, we always start at the inside and work our way out. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section and I'll get back with you. Now we've also made some reference lines in here, so I can stay guided where I want to be for right now, and those will change as I go on. We're going to start with our nose area, and we'll start with this small burr. See how that's taking it down in there where we want to go? So we're going to take more of this out in here. And I'll use this burring tool here. We're going to switch to this bigger one. See how we're getting a little bit of shape on the nose? We have to go in a lot deeper here so we get a good bridge on the nose. So we're going to keep working on that and then we'll be back. Thanks for watching.